What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to reset your ChatGPT password. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While using ChatGPT on your PC, click on your username at the bottom left and select Logout. On this page, select Login, enter your email address and select Continue. Now, instead of logging back in, select Forgot Password. You will be asked to reset your password using your OpenAI associated email address. Enter your email address and click Continue. You will receive an email in the next minutes asking you to reset your password. Simply click on the link and change your password. You might want to make use of a password manager, which can help you keep track of all your login credentials. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.